So right here I'm going to do a trade review on 25th of March. Okay, I did a London trade. Okay, right here you can see I put my sell limit order here. I was looking to short. One Monday we have gone up quite a lot here, and I was seeing that prices made the high of the week. That was my personal opinion, and yeah, I was looking for price to reach for here. Okay, at the very minimum. So this will be my first partial. Okay, so putting a sell limit here. Okay, so I was putting my stop loss right above the breaker here. Okay, so I don't have to withstand all the way up here. The stop loss is just above the breaker, just like what ICT. Okay, so yeah. Initially, my plan was to take the first partial at that inversion fair value gap. Okay, initially that was the plan, but then I thought I'm inside quite a premium, and I decided to trade a daily range, sorry. So I'm thinking, based on narrative, okay, this low here has a lot of stop loss there. Okay, that's why I'm thinking that my first partial will be here. Okay, so yep, it's right here, 3 a.m. So price going to go up and activate my limit order. That was what I was waiting for. And yeah, I'm trading based on 15-minute chart here. So after the order is filled, I just let it roll. Okay, yeah, just submitting to price action. But as you can see, like around here, you can see price almost reached to my stop loss, and then it started retracing lower, and I see a fair value gap here. So I'm thinking we are going lower. And London, we have the silver bullet. Okay, so yeah, I'm looking at this up move as a Judas swing. Okay, you can see 3M this sharp move up. But yeah, okay, with hindsight, okay, this, you see, initially I thought was like I want to take my first partial off here, right? But I did not, as I was seeing for low price for the whole day, and I stated I want to submit to the narrative. Okay, so it was a $35 loss within my risk. Okay, now my trading is like I'm going to risk 0.5% to I'm going to use 0.5% to recover my loss. Yeah, there's some disturbance here, but hope you guys bear with it. Okay, so yeah, so overall this whole trade was a loss. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys here overall the trade was a loss. It went above, shot up, and yeah, hit my stop loss. My stop loss was above it was around here. Okay, so it hits my stop loss at around 6:15. So I held the trade for around 3 hours. So yeah, you can see this was a silver bullet trade. It trades back down, but supported off the emergent fair value gap. So ICT was saying about like this could have been treated as a inversion fair value gap and 10 price higher. Well, I wasn't seeing that, but you can see price supported off it. So that was actually a sign that they might be going higher. So yeah, I did doubted it, but I'm thinking, okay, just submit to price. But now I know, okay. So you can see clear up sell side here, clear up sell side here, so it can potentially just move up again. Well, that's about trading. We don't know, it's about uncertainty. So but I'm just following my trade idea. Okay, as you can see, why I did not close the trade. You see price bump up the Tuesday 12 a.m. It went up, that was my judo swing, and go lower, and then we hovered below the 12 a.m. midnight opening. So in my mind, I was okay. So it's still doing what I want to see. But then with this rejection up, okay, for this candle, I was actually seeing it. I want to see price close below here. But you can see, price was still being held by the breaker min threshold. So again, I'm still submitting a price, and yeah, it's still, to me, it's like, it still can go lower. So yeah, overall, this trade, it's okay. I'm just going to sleep over it. Also, one more thing. It's like my trade idea, right, actually was relying heavily on ICT, because he himself also said that he was seeing for price to reach the daily VI. And yeah, I was watching that video. It was let me check, it was which video. It was the 2025 lecture series, algorithmic timing and journaling. It was last week, okay, 22nd of March. So he posted it, and he did say that what he was expecting going to next week. So my thoughts on this was like, because Monday we really shot out really high, and we reached for the daily VI. And then so my thinking was like, even ICT also said he was not seeing for price to be bullish. He was only seeing for price to reach for the daily VI and maybe roll over. So this was sort of my confirmation entering this trade and holding for the daily range, expecting Tuesday to be a big day. But now I look at it, Monday was a big day already, so Tuesday we can expect big range will bring small range. And yeah, we should expect small range. So yeah, but overall, I took the trade based on my own logic. It's only this one factor that made me, oh, even ICT is looking for low price, that kind of thing. But and the entire trade idea was based on my own logic, based on my understanding on price. And yeah, it was the power of three. I was trading in the premium, expecting lower price. Stop rate has been done on the buy sides, everything. So everything was based on my own understanding on price and logic. It wasn't entirely based on ICT. Yeah, but in trading we are going to lose sometimes. So managing risk is part of trading. Yep. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one.